Good day friends. In today's video, we're going to see about how to change the default font style and font size in MS Excel. So whenever you open any Excel file, it shows Calibri with size as 11. So how to change this? Go to File, click Options. Under General tab, you can see this particular segment. So here, use this as the default font. By default, it will be in Calibri. Now I'm going to change to my favorite font. So you can also choose whatever font that you want. Say for example, I'm choosing Book Antiqua and then I'm slightly increasing the size as 12 and then press OK. So I'm getting this kind of a pop-up message. Please close and restart Microsoft Excel so that the font changes can take effect. So I can simply close this window and then I can also close the application to see whether it has reflected or not. Now I open the new workbook. It shows Book Antiqua with font size as 12. So this is how you can also change to your favorite font style and size. Thank you.